Okay, we made it this far. We've created our vision. What the heck are we doing next? We are going to start talking about finances. We need to get pre-approved so we can understand what you can afford when you're looking to buy a house. Sometimes you may be able to afford more than you're comfortably paying, and sometimes you may need to readjust your expectations. And not all mortgage options are created the same. So it's very important to do a lot of shopping around and compare different rates and actually even compare them to each other. So let's say, for example, you go to lender A, and lender A has a program for 3.5% down, which is your traditional FHA, but they charge 1% or a loan origination fee. I can get that out. Find that out. So then you go to lender B and you say to lender B, I don't want you to charge me that point. And then you go back to lender A. So this is something that your agent should really help you with at understanding what fees you're going to be paying, what questions to ask to your lender. And you should choose a lender that's going to spend a lot of time with you explaining all the fees, all the processes, how to get the best rates. Another trick that we're seeing a ton about right now is going to your credit union. Going to your credit union can get you a much better rate because the credit unions loan within the credit union. I love my lenders and they can actually usually beat the rates, but sometimes the credit union can do better. Now, if you don't have a credit union, that's okay. You can get started for like $25. So to get started getting pre-approved, you're gonna need a list of items that the lender's gonna need to see your debt to income ratio, your credit, all of those things that they need to see to make sure that you would be qualified to buy a house. And I'm gonna put that in the link below, the list of everything you can have prepared. If you're not quite ready to get your credit pulled, that's okay too. You can have a conversation on the phone with a lender and just give them some ballpark numbers. Please try to remember if you're paying any child support, alimony, any college loans, anything like that that you would be paying out when you're talking to the lender, and then they can give you a general overview about what you'd be pre-approved for. But when you want to get pre-approved and to purchase a house, you do have to have your credit pulled. If you're gonna go to multiple lenders, the credit companies like Equifax and TransUnion, they will not ding your credit for getting multiple quotes from different lenders. That is really crucial to understand. But it is important to understand that you will need to have your credit pulled to understand exactly what you can afford and what is good in your budget. So for a list of lenders and what you're gonna need, make sure you click the links below, and I'll see you on the next video.